Okay. Sign okay. Sign okay.
Welcome mga katribo sa bago na naman nating dive. For this video, introducing Katribo RG, our newest member of the Sea Tribe, Dive Tribe family. Katribo RG is one of my student na mabilis yung progress sa training, and as you observe sa kanyang galaw underwater, masasabi ko na maganda ang progress niya. So, some of the key factor para madaling matuto ang estudyante ay ang magkaroon siya ng una, willingness niya or yung commitment niya sa gagawin niyang training. And pangalawa, I think is focus. This is just my opinion as an instructor na. And yung pangatlo, yung equipment. I believe as an instructor may malaking tulong sa development ng estudyante ang pagpili ng tamang diving equipment. For example, sa BCD na gamit niya Katribo RG, that is a jacket type BCD. Pag jacket style BCD kasi, based on my experience nung kakasimula ko pa lang sa dive, I have this feeling of safety assurance kapag ito yung ginagamit ko. Kasi pag jacket style, nakayakap siya sa'yo at ramdam mo yung air na pumapasok sa BCD bladder mo when you inflate as well as you deflate. Ramdam mo din yung pagbabawas. So that's a good thing about the jacket type for the newbie divers. Mas nakokontrol ng buoyancy pag namomonitor mo yung hangin na labas-pasok nun sa BC mo. And about naman sa fins, pinapagamit ko is yung lightweight but medyo stiffer underwater, katulad ng Scuba Pro Sport na na-experience ko kasi nung simula pa lang ako, just yung jet fins agad. Yun, ang hirap kasi mabigat yung jet fin. And sa tingin ko, it needs more dive experience para mapaamo mo yung jet fins. Pero the best ang jet fins if ma-master mo na ito. Powerful underwater, no doubt about that. Sa regulator naman, at least yung mga mid-ranger na balance, pero no issue naman kahit unbalance. Yung sa mga beginners kasi the limit for open water category is only 60 feet. Kayang-kaya ng balance regulator yan. Hindi mo mararamdaman na magbabawas yan yung airflow. So RG is using an Apex 80-20 regulator and is a good and super nice compact regulator. So as you can see, yan, slowly but surely yung pagpasok niya dun sa mini obstacle. So yan, RG is practicing neutral buoyancy. Way to go, RG. Keep on diving and welcome to our tribe, the Sea Tribe Pinas family.